Oh, there was a bit of a twitch in the blocks there from Kishane Thompson, but he seems to have got away from it. Fast start on the far side from Ronnie Baker, but Kishane Thompson of Jamaica coming through. Strong finish from Samson.
Jamaica's Kishane Thompson defeats Akani Simbine in the 100 meter at the Gyulai István Memorial, crossing the finish line in an impressive 9.95 seconds to secure his second consecutive victory at this prestigious event. With an explosive 2025 season already underway, Thompson has shown he's ready to take on the world, leaving rivals like Simbine in his wake. In this video, let's have a look at Thompson's winning performance, his unique approach to this season, and what this victory means for his future at the Tokyo World Championships. Let's get right into it. 2024 Paris Olympic 100 meter silver medalist Kishane Thompson has been on a roll this 2025 season, and it seems no one can stop him. With a new approach, he's competing more on the circuit to better familiarize himself with his competitors. After helping Jamaica qualify for the Tokyo World Championship with a strong ankle leg in the 4x100 meter relay at the London Athletics meet, Kishane Thompson returned to the 100 meter at the Gyulai István Memorial. In the pre-meet press conference, Kishane Thompson mentioned that Hungary is one of his favorite places to compete, and that he likes the fact that the meet was being held in the same stadium that hosted the 2023 Budapest World Championship. The meet was going well for Caribbean athletes as Ashanti Moore ran a 200-meter personal best of 22.31 seconds and Brian Lavelle ran a personal best and meeting record of 19.69 seconds in his 200-meter race. The stage was set for the men's 100-meter to end the meet, and Kishane Thompson was the main athlete in that event. The race got off to a decent start by the athletes, with Kishane Thompson and Akani Simbine leading the way. Thompson separated himself from the field and crossed the line in 9.95 seconds to win the 100 meter at the Gyulai István Memorial for the second consecutive season. Abdul Rashid Saminu of Ghana was second with 10.01 seconds. The same time was given to Akani Simbine for third. Kishane Thompson was very happy for the win as he continues to build momentum for the Tokyo World Championship. Thompson's incredible victory at the Gyulai István Memorial is a testament to his relentless drive and dedication. As he builds momentum towards the Tokyo World Championships, Thompson's journey proves that consistency, resilience, and the will to improve can turn dreams into reality. What do you think of Kishane Thompson's dominant performance at the Gyulai István Memorial? Do you believe he has what it takes to claim gold at the Tokyo World Championships? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, check out our video discussing how likely it is for Kishane Thompson to win gold in the 100 meter at the Tokyo World Championships 2025. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on your favorite athletes. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a moment of the action. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.